Yo boys, so this is the trade we took today on SPX. So overall we were pretty bearish. So we just had like push down, break of structure. And yeah, I was basically just bearish, but 4 hour pre-market, we kind of like wicked out of this area, wicked out of here. We also had this old 4 hour fair value gap that we wicked out of. So boom, wicked out of here. So that was basically giving me bullish confirmation because we were kind of losing how do you say it? We were losing sellers, I guess is the best way to put it. Like there wasn't many sellers in the market. So we came in here and we came into this little 4 hour fair value gap. And I was just basically looking for buys. And we also pre-market we swept buy side liquidity. So let me set up the zone. So this is start of pre-market, and then 1430 is start of actual market. So on the lower time frame, we did sweep liquidity. So boom, we had all this liquidity up here, just pre-market liquidity, not like really high confluence liquidity, but we did sweep 5-minute liquidity here. All of the liquidity here, boom, swept, and we pushed down, and then we swept pre-market, and we also swept this liquidity here, and we pushed down lower. And as you can see here, we started to lose selling pressure here, just a whole bunch of wicks. So I basically capitalized off of that. And once we came into this 4 hour fair value gap, I was basically just looking for a 1-minute break of structure. So we didn't really get a break of structure, but we got this right here. We got an expansion and push up. We closed above this fair value gap. So that was basically bullish confirmation for me. And we also created this 1-minute fair value gap here. Boom. And I basically entered off of the break of that. So boom, we came in. Oh no, I actually came off of this one, my bad. So boom, we came in here. We wicked a little bit lower. I bought here at the close. It pushed up pretty quickly, and then we came back, broke this fair value gap, broke structure on the 1 minute. Oh, actually, no, we didn't. We came back, we retested the 1 minute lows, then we just had an expansionary move up. And yeah, I mean, our TP1 was at, it was just basically 2 confluences. So it was, my first confluence was the beginning of this 15-minute fair value gap. So I had TP1 here at the beginning of this 15-minute fair value gap. And we also had TP2 really close at equilibrium of the swing high or swing low, whatever, swing high to swing low. I don't even know how to say it. Boom. So we had 15-minute and equilibrium aligned. So that was just TP1. And then TP2, I really didn't really have a TP2. I just had my TP2 at the middle of this fair value gap. So of this 15-minute fair value gap. So boom. And then it actually did tap it. So I did take profits there. And then I moved south to break even. And that was just basically a trade. I literally made no money off of this trade just because so if any of you are funded with 1-on-1 funding, they switched brokers, or I think servers, and I guess they don't use the same leverage as before. So I usually enter with 0.2 lots, and that's basically 0.5 risk. 0.5 risk or 0.50 risk. And I entered with 20 again. And dude, it wasn't even like 0.1 risk. Like it was like literally nothing. I don't know like what's up with the leverage, but I definitely need to figure it out. So I entered with 20 lots, and I don't know how much I made. I think it was like $30 off of this. So I guess I'm just gonna do the math. I think I need to start entering with like 60 lots. No, not 60. Like maybe like 50. But yeah, that was basically the trade. Peace.